Why Tainan is Taiwan's food capital and a historic treasure. Now, let's visit a few of the city's historic sites. Anping Old Fort was built under Dutch rule in 1624. It was the center of Dutch military and trade activities until it was later captured by Zheng Chenggong's forces. Today, it's a much more peaceful place, offering a great view and a touch of history. Another famous site is Chirkan Tower. It was first built by the Dutch and later turned into a Chinese-style building. One of its highlights is the 9 stone turtles carrying tablets, which were made more than 200 years ago. Tired of walking? Take a break at National Chonggong University's Banyan Park, a peaceful spot with 12 old banyan trees. Some of these huge trees date back to the time of Japanese rule, 1895 to 1945. It's also a popular spot where many students take pictures just before they graduate. From tasty snacks to incredible landmarks, every corner of this city has something special to offer.